Hey you guys, this is Holly Bryant. I promised you that I would show you how to fix the drop downs for this Excel spreadsheet, so this is going to be really fast. Some people, for some reason, on this particular tab, the custom orders tab, when they click their down arrow right here, they don't see all of this, which is a problem. And it's easily fixed, but it's hard to explain by message or email, so I'm just going to show you really quick. So if this were to have nothing in it, oops. Okay, under data validation, this is what's supposed to be in it. So if it didn't have that, and you were just able to enter any value, see right here now it's blank. Some people, I think what they're seeing is this little arrow here, but when they click on it, something else is showing up or nothing at all is showing up. So I'm just going to show you how to redo the whole thing. So what you want to do is start off in this first box, because what we're going to do is drag once we get the formula in there, right? Then you go to data. I don't know why it does that. Then you go to data validation. Then you click list, which is under settings. And then the source, you click on this and it will allow you to find this price and product table. The whole reason I have that back there is just for lists. So then you click on here and highlight the middle column all the way down to the bottom. Oops. Then hit this again, this little box over here, and it'll take you back to here, and that basically has put in the source for you. Then you hit OK. When you go back here, you're going to see all the drop-down options, which is great. Now, mine has all these in all these boxes, but if it didn't, all you'd have to do is get this black X, or cross rather, click, drag. I only drag it one spot at first because then this just changed the formatting to pink, and I want it to go every other. So then I'm going to go back to home. Then I'm going to change the fill back to no fill. And now I have exactly what I want. I have a pink with all my drop-down choices, and I have a white with all my drop-down choices. Now if I highlight these two at the same time, I can drag them to the right first, go all the way out to 16. See, that's one too far right there at 16. That made every single one of those what I want. Now you're going to drag down. So just leave it highlighted like this. If it comes unhighlighted, you can just go back and highlight those two rows again and go to the bottom right corner here, get the black cross again, drag it all the way down. And you can try to get it to go as fast as you can because it goes down to like 2,000. And when you get to the bottom, you have to go back up. And now, even in this bottom square, I have all the choices here. Okay, so that is how you do drop-down menus. And if you ever do this where you don't have a separate table back here, and you're maybe making a different Excel, or you want to add a maybe you want to add a drop-down option for one of these, like percentage discount or something, and you only have 2 or 3 choices. The way you would do that is, say this is the cell you want it in, you'd go data validation, and then list, and instead of going to a source like we did over here, you would just type it in like 10%, comma, 15%, comma, 20. I won't even put that because that's not allowed with compliance, so I don't even want to go there. But say you want to drop down between 10% and 15%, click list. Make sure incel drop down is checked, and then 10%, comma, 15%. Now when I go back here, I see my two options, which I don't know why that showed up far away, but that is how you do it.